What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Grim Runner. It's your boy Clef Mercado. We back at it again with another video today. Man, we finally about to do another little performance mod. This is a mod that a lot of y'all been telling me I needed to get since I got the car, and I finally pulled the trigger and I got this thing. I went a little bit different though, but I'm pretty sure y'all gonna be just as excited as I am. So if this is your first time tuning into the channel, make sure you go ahead and you smash the thumbs up button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and make sure you go ahead and you drop a comment. We got the car sitting out here right now. We about to get it in. It should be a pretty easy install for the most part, so I don't think it's gonna take that much time, but we about to make it do what it do. And you know what, man, I just want to jump right into this install, so we gonna go ahead and reveal it. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all know what I'm about to be installing on my car. Finally, if you don't know, now you know. We actually gonna be installing this roar pedal throttle commander. For those of y'all who don't know, this is pretty much a dope mod that's gonna take away all that all the extra lag on your actual throttle. It doesn't add any additional horsepower, even though it might seem like it doesn't add any additional horsepower, none whatsoever, man. So we about to go ahead and we about to get this thing put on the car. Got the car looking nice, got a little bit of a wash, but I still got piling on top of my hood. But we about to make it do what it do, man. We gonna have fun with this mod. We gonna get this thing installed, and then we gonna take it on the road, man. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first I want to bust this box open and show y'all exactly what come in this thing. So once you open it up, as you can see, this is the actual roar pedal throttle controller. Pretty dope little device, and I'm glad it came in red too. This is a red one because, as you can see, it's gonna match the interior real good. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift this box up real quick. I like the packaging too. It came packaged pretty good. I like that. Came with a little set of instructions, even though I've been watching a couple videos already, so I kind of already think I have it. So once again, this is the roar pedal throttle controller. You got your instructions. This is pretty much the main deal right here. This is the actual adapter cable for you to be able to plug the roar pedal into the actual pedal at the bottom of the car. Excuse me, y'all. I'm trying to make sure I'm focused on this box. My bad, y'all. And then it looked like they give you a little bit of, actually 2 pieces of adhesive to go ahead and mount the roar pedal, somewhere on your car. What I'm thinking about doing, hold on, let me bring this down a little bit. I'm thinking about maybe mounting it like right here in this area. But yeah, man, let's just go ahead and jump right into this install. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first disclaimer before I actually show y'all this, make sure, and I got this from countless and countless videos and countless hours of research, make sure before you install this thing, your car has no power going to it for at least 20 minutes. I've been letting my car sit for an hour and a half, and this is basically to prevent any possibility of getting any of those engine codes. So if you're driving and you want to do the install, let your car sit for a minimum of 20 minutes before you start tampering with this thing and plugging it up to your car. And I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. My car is a 2019 Dodge Challenger RT. Y'all gotta excuse me because it's dark down here and I'm using my phone. I want y'all to actually be able to see. So on my car, as you can see, there is this foam panel that pretty much covers up everything, but it's actually pretty easy to take out. I came down here before I started the actual mod to kind of get an idea and understanding of how it works. So we go see if we can get a good image. There's actually a screw right here on the left side, which is gonna be kind of hard to see because I got this big DSLR camera, my bad, y'all. But as y'all, okay, there you go, you can see it right there. So there's a screw here on the left side. We're on the left side right here, and then there's gonna be a screw right up there on the right side. As you can see, it's already detached. So basically what you're gonna do once you get it detached, you're gonna pull it down, and then I'm not disconnecting this actual wire at all, none whatsoever. I'm gonna leave that completely connected up because I have no reason to disconnect it. And as you can see now, let's move a little bit over here. My bad, y'all. It's kind of tricky with this big camera down here, but I just want y'all to see that the pedal is right there. So that's what we gonna be working on right there. All right, y'all, so I gotta Mickey Mouse this thing up a little bit. As y'all can see, I got my camera right there because this thing is kind of hard to see. But basically, right here, even though my hand is in the way, all you're gonna have to do is, bingo, unplug that. You're gonna unplug that connector right here. It's kind of dark down here, but you're gonna unplug that connector from the your actual pedal right there. And then once you have this connector, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hook up the actual roar pedal. All right, so now we have that part loose. This is the actual adapter here from the roar pedal. So this part, this one here, is actually gonna go into the loose adapter that we unplugged, which is here. My bad, y'all, it's kind of tight down here, so y'all gotta work with me. It's kind of tight. So we're gonna plug that part onto this loose end right here. Once again, that's gonna be this end, and the end with the red tab is what's gonna go on to the actual top. Alright, so we got that plugged in. Whew, man, my bad, y'all. It is tight down here, man. You need a small camera to get down here, but I like the way this camera films. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get this top part plugged in. Let me make sure I can see. All right, bingo. So that should be it. All right, so what I actually have to do, so I put it in ACC mode. It didn't light up. Without actually having my foot on the pedal, I actually just went ahead and turned it into drive mode. So the light is actually on right now. So we good to go. So I'm actually gonna put this thing in Sport Plus mode. So from the looks on this paper, hopefully y'all can see that. Come on, Canon, because y'all know. There we go. From the looks of this paper, it is 5 different modes. You have normal, you have eco mode, you have sport mode, you have Sport Plus mode, and then you have race mode. And it looks like each and every single mode have a number 1 through, looks like it's like 1 through 6 to kind of, I guess, you know, give it more go. So we gonna go ahead and we go set this thing right now and put this thing in Sport Plus, so I really want to see. So in Sport Plus, it goes up to, oh yeah, it goes up to, whoa, wait a minute, hold up. Oh no, it goes up to 9. My bad, y'all. I'm gonna just show y'all an example really quick. So this on sport mode 9. You can take it down. 7, 6, 5, 4. So, woo! Yeah, we about to test this thing out, man. I just want to see how this thing works. So just to start it off, I'm gonna put this thing on. I'm gonna put it on number 6, and we go do it like that, man. So let's go ahead and have some fun. All right, so this is the moment of truth. We about to go ahead and start this thing up. Go ahead and turn my steering wheel, and so far so good. We don't have any engine codes at all. Man, it's about to be crazy. I'm gonna just give it a second. No engine codes at all. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna put this on the speedometer. Yeah, we looking good. I haven't completely actually attached it up yet because I just want to make sure this thing work. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do it just like that or something like that. But as you can see, we in sport mode, Sport Plus mode, excuse me, y'all, number 6. So yeah, man, let's give it a go. I'm actually gonna do a couple runs. I'm gonna mount this thing on the car so I could have better control. But right now I'm gonna hold it. This is just a little test run, y'all. So y'all just stick with me. Y'all work with me. So man, I'm pumped right now because I'm just hoping it does what it says it does. So all right, I'm Wait till I get out of my community before I just go ahead and like smash it like that. Alright, y'all. Moment of truth, we almost there. You know, I gotta be careful. Make sure there's no pedestrians out. Alright, let's see. Alright, y'all, we finally in the clear. Let me roll this window up so I won't get too much wind noise. Woo! Alright, y'all, so we finally about to get this thing to go. Let y'all see one more time. No light so far, man, so let's see. Oh yeah, I definitely, oh shit. Whoa! Oh, yeah, I feel it. Oh, wait a minute, hold up. Hold up. Man, let me slow this thing down real quick. I gotta make sure this is legit. I gotta make sure this thing is legit. No, I'm not gonna turn. I'm not gonna turn and mess with this while we actually driving. But so far, I feel a difference. Let me see. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Whoa! Man, hey, this is crazy right here. So what I just did, I just turned it up a notch. I just put it on 9. So man, I'm about to give it a shot. I'm not gonna drive like this every day because I definitely feel a difference. But we about to try this number 9 and see what it do. Whoa. Man, I just scared myself, man. My bad, y'all. I still got the car in neutral. My bad, y'all. So let's go ahead and give it some gas real quick. Hey, whoa! Hey, this shit is crazy, bro. What the fuck? This shit really works. Hey, my bad, I'm cursing and everything. Hey, this is crazy. I swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to God, this thing is crazy, man. I'm about to have to mount my camera up so we can get it. Honestly, this thing is probably going to have my camera tossing and turning all over my... I'm all out of breath right now, man. Woo, that caught me off guard. Hey, roar pedal, that thing work. It works. And so far, so good. Like I said, we don't have any lights. So look, I'm about to come to a complete stop again. Oh my God, y'all. I wish y'all could be in this car and feel it. Feel it like I feel it, man. But we about to give it gas again, man. Let's go. No lag. It's just getting off. Whoa! We go. Whoa! Oh! Hey, tire burner right here. I'm gonna need some new tires in a minute, bruh. Man, shout out to this Roar pedal. This thing is crazy. Alright, y'all. I'm about to give it one more go. Hey, this time I turned it up a notch. I'm about to do something crazy. So right now, we in race mode. We in race mode +9. +9. So, hey, this thing is crazy, man. I should have did this a long time ago. Like I said, for those of y'all out there who interested in getting one of these type of throttle controllers, just remember, it does not in any way increase horsepower. It just decreases your throttle response. Literally, as soon as you step on the pedal, it's like it's no lag. It just goes. So I'm about to get this another shot. My bad, y'all. I'm just creeping down this little street right here, trying to make sure there's no people, there's no cops, and let's go ahead and punch this thing in race mode real quick, man. Oh, this shit is... Hey, what the fuck? Hey, this shit is crazy, bro. Oh, hey, this is crazy. Nah, I can't drive like that. I cannot drive like that. Nah, I gotta take that race mode off. Hey, that's cool for fun every now and then. I'm about to punch it one more time, though, man. But I'm shredding these tires up, man. They just spinning out of control, man. All right, hold up. Got a little spectator in the front, man. You can feel this thing. You don't even have to push too much. You don't have to push too much on the pedal at all. It just goes. All right, we about to give it one more punch in this race mode, man. This thing is crazy, bruh. What the fuck? Whoa! That's it, man. That's it. I'm not running no more today. Yeah, I just wanted to put that thing in action. I'm gonna let y'all know this thing work. So if you think about getting one of these controllers, make sure you go ahead and get it, because this is him. It's him all the way. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna just show y'all real quick how I got it set up. I ended up mounting it right here so that it could actually stay flush against the panel, because right here there's a groove that dips, and up here was just a little bit too high for me, so I went ahead and mounted it right here. It's flush, as you can see. Left the cable a little bit loose just in case I actually want to move this thing or, you know, disconnect it at any given time. But yeah, man, it looks good. All right, y'all, and that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for the video, man. I had fun today, man. Y'all gotta excuse me, I'm out here looking grimy right now because I knew I was gonna get a little bit dirty with this install. The lips all chapped from this air, but we had a ball today, man. This mod work, I absolutely love it, and we gonna be turning up and having fun with this thing, man. I hope y'all like this video. I wanted to mount my camera up, but like I said, from all this power, every time I put this big DSLR on my windshield mount, it get to twisting and turning. I actually think I got to do a little bit of repairs to my mount. But yeah, man, that's gonna wrap it up for the video, man. We had fun today once again. I'm actually shocked how well that thing works. So once again, if you're new to the channel, if you're not new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and you smash that thumbs up button. Help us crack the algorithm. We almost coming up on 5,000 subscribers, and we go keep it rolling. Make sure you drop a comment, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content, man. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Y'all take care, and y'all have a blessed day.